Witness the precision and power of modern air defense forces, showcasing a rapid deployment of these high-performance fighter aircraft.
The formation breaks as the pilots initiate evasive maneuvers. Inside the cockpit, the G-forces are immense. The seamless transition from ground to air operations is flawless, demonstrating the success of our combined multinational exercises.
The formation holds steady, a display of precision. But readiness begins long before takeoff. The collaboration between the pilots is evident.
Check the alignment on the port side linkage.
Confirmed. The diagnostics look good.
The journey to the aircraft underscores the seriousness and commitment required for this operation.
The F-16 Fighting Falcon, proudly bearing the colors of South Carolina, stands ready. These jets are the symbol of our nation's unwavering preparedness.
The final pre-flight moments highlight the precision involved in operating complex machinery.
These joint exercises highlight the seamless cooperation between our international forces, ensuring readiness across the theater.
This full squadron readiness drill demonstrates the large-scale deployment capabilities of the South Carolina Air National Guard. Distinct squadron markings reinforce the theme of unity. The SP tailcode identifies the 480th Fighter Squadron, the Warhawks.
The dynamic readiness launch is crucial. These F-16s are the backbone of the Polish Air Force, ensuring rapid response capabilities.
Command post, ground crew reports the stabilizer is secure. Requesting permission to proceed.
Close-up maintenance checks underscore the detail and dedication involved in maintaining the aircraft.
The pilot entering the aircraft represents the activation of the mission. Every system checked, the F-16 is ready. It is the coordinated effort, the seamless unity of our ground and air crews that keeps these remarkable South Carolina aircraft ready.
Hand signals are the universal language for coordination on the flight line.
The success of a mission relies on the ground crew. Coordinated movement is essential before takeoff. Every detail must be checked. The presence of international partners showcases collective defense. Observing with calm focus, the rapid acceleration demonstrates their operational speed and responsiveness.
The unique markings on these jets convey unit pride and history. From Wisconsin Air National Guard to the Texas markings,
A clear display of overwhelming force, these aircraft represent the sharp end of modern air power, ready to deploy at a moment's notice.
As the fully armed F-16s taxi out, the pilots remain calm and focused, running through their final checks.
the director clears the Vermont F-16s. In a display of coordinated air power, the jets taxi for a rapid mass takeoff from the desert runway.
The ground crew's meticulous work ensures these aircraft remain fully operational, ready for deployment at a moment's notice.
The powerful roar confirms their readiness. The South Carolina squadron prepares for takeoff, while the Wisconsin pilots navigate
This large-scale training effort is indicated by the multiple units present, including the Wisconsin F-16 and aircraft from the Polish Air Force taxiing together.
Ground checks complete.
Cleared for takeoff, Viper 1.
Godspeed.
Here we see the 49th Fighter Wing F-16s fully equipped for the exercise.
International collaboration is key to maintaining security in the region.
Check the hydraulics on auxiliary power.
Zulu time confirmed for takeoff.
The rapid deployment of an F-16 relies entirely on the precision and coordination of the dedicated ground crew.
The ground crew plays a vital role in preparing these jets. Their meticulous final checks near the intake ensure the F-16s are mission ready.
Observing the synchronized movement of these aircraft highlights the critical importance of mass deployment readiness.
The narrator continues observing with calm focus. The full weight of the jet, loaded with fuel and stores, is evident as it maneuvers.
The post-mission routine requires just as much professionalism as the mission itself. The data download is critical. Here at the airbase, the pilots and aircraft are prepared for sustained, high-tempo operations.
The F-16, fully armed, begins its roll. With the afterburners engaged, it demonstrates
The scale of the operation is immense. Here we see two F-16s launching, highlighting the technical precision of the airbase crew.
This continuous operational cycle is the heartbeat of the unit. Maintainers work tirelessly to keep these jets in the air.
The aircraft is a fusion of advanced technology and immense physical power.
The South Carolina F-16 continues taxiing.
Demonstrating its global reach, the Viper serves with distinction in air forces worldwide, including the Chilean Air Force.
The final moments before a mission require utmost mental clarity and preparation.
This highly organized and controlled environment is the hallmark of military aviation, even in the most arid locations.
From the tarmac to the sky, the F-16 showcases its power. Watch as it accelerates and lifts off, demonstrating its dynamic capability.
Okay, pre-flight checks complete, tire pressure holding steady, fuel levels confirmed, you are clear for engine start.
Roger that, commencing startup. All checks complete, sir. Clear to taxi.
Roger that, let's make it count. Radio check, ground.
The jet's tail markings clearly denote the 149th Fighter Wing, emphasizing its deep Texas roots as it prepares for takeoff.
The pilot's readiness is the final component before launch.
The South Carolina marked F-16s demonstrate their swift deployment capabilities, taxiing in tight formation towards the runway.
The ground crew maintains intense focus during taxiing. This vigilance extends to the precision landing.
The F-16 demonstrates concentrated power, first in its precise landing, then the taxi sequence.
With the final signal to go, the culmination of all preparation efforts is complete, and the ascent begins.
The commitment to air superiority requires dedication in all environments. The shift to different aircraft types highlights the diverse forces available for complex missions. The successful mission concludes. Pilot and crew confirm the aircraft is ready for the next sortie. A flawless touchdown on the desert tarmac. The pilot's skill is evident in the precise ground maneuvers and controlled deceleration.
The presence of aircraft from other nations solidifies the theme of a coordinated global force.
Precision is paramount. The ground crew expertly guides the F-16 to its spot, ensuring all safety protocols are met before shutdown.
The final approach and landing are the culmination of a successful flight. The Wolfpack F-16 executes the maneuver flawlessly. With meticulous precision, the crew prepares the Wolfpack for departure, a routine display of technical operation.
The power of the aircraft is truly palpable, even in its slow, deliberate taxiing speed across the sun-drenched tarmac.
The quick turnaround time for jets in a ready state is a testament to the crew's efficiency.
The precision of ground maneuvers, guided by ground crew, is vital to avoid accidents. The Texas F-16 is seen taxiing past the hangar.
The detailed ground inspections ensure every part of the aircraft is mission ready.
Each pilot represents the culmination of extensive training and trust. The name on the canopy signifies their singular commitment to the mission.
The F-16 demonstrates its precision during taxi, but the real test is the raw power they're needed for a rough field takeoff.
The power-to-weight ratio allows for impressive short-field performance.
The narrator continues observing with calm focus. The distinct climb-out after takeoff indicates the initiation of the mission profile.
As the Viper climbs, the true test begins. It is during these high-G maneuvers that the pilot's training is put to the ultimate test.
Aerial dominance is not merely speed. It is the calm precision of the pilot combined with the raw power of the aircraft.
The intense speed of aerial operations is simulated through this rapid succession of images, culminating.
Bravo 2, inbound on target heading 250.
Demonstrating critical maneuverability, the F-16 banks sharply, pulling intense G-forces against the bright daylight sky.
At 9 Gs, the world outside the cockpit blurs. It takes every ounce of strength for the pilot to keep from blacking out.
The aircraft's movement is a study in fluid aerial dynamics, observed with calm focus by the pilot and the crew below.
Once airborne, the mission requires absolute concentration. Every maneuver is calculated, every turn precise.
The high-speed maneuvers are a constant test of pilot and machine.
Sustained high G turn. The airframe is handling the stress well, demonstrating true peak performance.
Despite the immense pressure of the descent, the pilot maintains focus. Soon, they will join the others in the upper atmosphere. The formation maintains tight control. Then the Polish F-16 demonstrates the aircraft's raw power and impressive performance limit.
The precision of this formation highlights the close trust we place in our fellow airmen.
The sheer force experienced during a combat maneuver is immense. The pilot must maintain calm focus even as the aircraft enters the cloud layer.
The low-light takeoff is a testament to the jet's all-weather, all-hours capability.
The sheer number of aircraft prepared for deployment underscores the scale of this operation.
With afterburners engaged, the aircraft showcases incredible speed. This powerful acceleration is the most dramatic phase of the mission launch.
A synchronized launch is the ultimate display of force projection, executed with calm, technical precision.
Here we see the F-16 maneuvering on the ground, a display of precision by both the pilot and the dedicated teams in Pakistan and South Carolina.
The pilot completed the final systems check before taxi. The F-16 into the heart.
These advanced aerial training exercises highlight the close cooperation between the Israeli Air Force and partner nations.
The ground crew meticulously prepares the Wolfpack. Secured and mission ready, the pilot runs through his final checks.
Welcome home, Daddy! Hooray! We need to inspect flap 19. See the discoloration?
Yeah, I see it. Logging anomaly now.
The safe return of the jet is a shared victory for the entire team. The dedication of the ground crew is the foundation of air superiority.
This display highlights the dedicated team effort and comprehensive readiness required to maintain operational flight cycles, from cockpit to engine bay.